Hello, welcome to my video. My name is Sergio Tamayo de la Cruz, and today I am excited to talk about one of the most transformative technologies of our time, the artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
First, let's break down what is artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require to human intelligence and require human intelligence like recognizing speech or making decision. And the impact of AI and ML on the computing industries is huge. These technologies are pushing the boundaries of what computer can do, from automating routine tasks to analyzing vast amounts of data in seconds. And for businesses, this means better customers, experiences, and more efficient operations. But did you know AI and ML are not just impacting the tech world, they're having a profound effect of society as well. In healthcare, AI is reducing human error and improving accessibility to medical care even in remote areas. And what is machine learning? Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves algorithms that allow computers to learn from data and improve on their own. So, for example, when you use Siri or Google Assistant, that's AI helping you out. And when Netflix recommends a movie based on your previous watching habits, that's a machine learning at work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you.